Hey, it's Arie here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. In this video specifically, I want to show you how to promote the multiple income funnel program. I want to show you the best traffic sources for this exact program so that if you're in this program already and you want to start getting into action, then these traffic sources will help you do that, right? So whether you are in this program already or if you are currently still looking into this program and you're still kind of on the fence as to whether or not you want to join this and, of course, get up and running, then what I'm going to show you in this video will, of course, help you understand this better and, of course, help you understand exactly what it takes to start getting results, right? So real quick before we get into things, if this is the first time that you're on my channel, I'm always putting out new videos on a regular basis showing you how to do affiliate marketing, how to create passive income, how to grow your online business. So if you would like these kinds of videos, consider hitting the subscribe button down below, and this way you'll never miss out on any new videos that are on this channel, right? So as you can see here, there are tons of videos that I've made so far, and in the year 2021, I'm looking to, make, as many more videos just like this to, of course, help you get the best results in the long term, right? So anyways, without further ado, let's actually get right into this video right now. I'm going to assume that if you're on this video right now, you probably already know what multiple income funnel is all about. So I don't want to waste too much time explaining what the program is all about, but I'll give a brief explanation on how this works. So multiple income funnel is a system that allows you to promote products online, pretty much earn passive income through 4 main income streams that are in here, right? So with this program, you have 4 income streams that you could simply plug into. And rather than promoting these programs individually, you could promote one link inside a multiple income funnel, and that allows you to promote each of these income streams right here. Now, at any point in this video, if you decide that you want to plug into this exact same system that's allowing members, brand new members to get, their first results online, to make, for example, an extra $645 per day, an extra $2,000 per day, or whatever your income goal is. If you want to get access to the same exact system that is allowing veterans of the industry as well as newbies to get results, all you have to do is visit the link down below, go through this page right here, watch the video, and this will explain more about what it's all about. And then right here, you could decide for yourself if you, of course, want to get started in this exact program, right? So let's not waste any more time and let's get right into the methods, right? So in this video specifically, I want to show you 2 paid methods and also 2 free methods that you could use to promote this exact program, right? So before you start, using any of these methods, ideally what you want to do is you want to go through the entire program, you want to follow all the steps, and you want to get everything set up, right? So you want to go through step 1, watch the video that it gives you. And then the main thing right here is you want to set up your income streams, right? So make sure that before you send any traffic whatsoever, that you go through all these videos and you set up all of your income streams, right? If you just start sending traffic and you don't have your accounts for these different income streams set up, well, then that means that when you're sending traffic and anyone who you refer, if they decide to buy any of the products here, you will not get that commission, right? So it's very important that you go through all the steps, you get all your links set up, and you get everything into place. And once you do that, you could, of course, set up your e-wallet. You can go through the back office too if you want to learn more about that. And then from there, you could simply come up here to where it says links. And then you can grab the link to any of these 3 capture pages right here, and you could simply start driving traffic to these exact pages, right? So the name of the game is, the more clicks you can get to any of these capture pages, then that ideally means more potential sales for you in the long term, right? So that's enough rambling. I want to get into the actual methods, right? So let's start with the 2 paid methods that you could use to promote this program. The very first method that I want to go over is the exact traffic source that is recommended inside of multiple income funnel, right? So under income stream number 4 is a traffic source by the name of Traffic Authority, right? So this is a platform that you could use to buy solo ad traffic. So if you go over to trafficauthority.com right here, or .net rather, they have different packages that you could buy, ranging anywhere from 170 clicks all the way up to 8,400 clicks, right? So as you can see, it has the price right here, and for the price that you pay, you get the X amount of clicks that it displays right here, and then these are clicks that go directly to your link that you want to promote, right? So ideally what you want to do is you want to send as many clicks to your capture page, so this way when you start getting visitors here, they will enter their email address, or a certain portion of them rather, and then the system will do all the follow-up for you on the back end, right? So that is really the benefit with solo ads, is you don't have to necessarily learn how to do copywriting. You don't have to write out your own emails or shoot videos if you don't want to do that, because in this case, you are sending this traffic to a system that is already converting and is already working for other members, right? So I showed some of the results inside this group earlier, and you see people getting results of this program. So the main thing here is just simply modeling what works, right? If you see members getting results with this exact source, then I would recommend starting here. And this is a great place to start if you have a budget that you want to start with, right? So if you are starting with as little as $220, or if you have more that you want to invest into this traffic source, then I would say go all in with it, right? And the other benefit with this exact source and why I recommend it is because depending on the package that you buy, it also enables you to earn commissions up to that package that you of course enroll in. So for example, if you decide to buy a gold package here at the $1,097 price point, and you refer someone to this exact system and they buy the gold package or anything below that, you will also get a percentage of that exact sale, which just simply means more money for you in the long term, right? So traffic is something that everyone needs to their business, and because of that, people will be willing to continue investing in this traffic right here, which then means more residual income for you down the road, right? So this is, I'd say, hands down the best place to start if you want to get up and running, if you want fast results. However, there are some other methods that you could use as well, such as another paid traffic source known as Ringless voicemails. Right now, this is a bit of a newer traffic source they could plug into. So this site, if you go to it, it allows you to buy into these packages right here, and this is basically where you have different leads that you of course send through like a voicemail system. It has like a like a pre-recorded voice that gets them back onto the offer. So when you send traffic to it, they get like their phone number and that type of stuff. And this is known to also convert very well, right? So you've got the level 1 package right here. You've got level 2. And then I think you've also got level 3, level 4, and it goes up to looks like level 5 as well. And of course, the more you invest in it, then that is basically more voice drops that you get, right? So that's another method they could use to get high quality traffic. This isn't one that I personally have went too much in myself. However, it is one that I'm looking to test out a little bit more down the road. But let's actually get into the two free methods that you could use to get traffic, right? So if you don't have money to invest into paid traffic like, solo ads or ringless voicemails, it's no big deal because you could always start with a platform like Facebook, for example. And Facebook's really great because, it's like half the world's population is like on Facebook at this point, right? So, and as time progresses, there's going to be more and more people coming onto Facebook, wanting to learn something new. So if you have that solution that allows them to get that desired result, like what I showed right here, then Facebook is a great place to go because there's always people here looking to learn new things, right? So you can go into Facebook, come up to the search right here, search up, something related to your niche. So, online business, search that up right there. You could find a group that is inside of your niche, like, this one, for example, has over 100,000 members, or almost 200,000 members right here. And here you can connect with, tons of people in this group that are wanting to learn about that exact topic right there. So in this group, you could literally go in here, you could interact with any of these posts in here. You can create your own post here. You could do a Facebook Live in here if you want to, or you could simply connect with the members in here one-on-one, right? So if you come up to the top here, you can click on these little 3 dots, and this will bring up a list of people that just recently joined the group, right? So if you scroll down a bit, you will find people that have just recently joined the group. Like, look, 3 hours ago, 6 hours ago, and these are all people that want to learn how to start an online business or perhaps maybe promote their online business, right? So ideally what you want to do is you want to look through the list, find people that, ideally you feel would be a good fit. You don't want to necessarily add anyone and everyone, you don't want to add people that are from countries where, they don't speak English or they don't likely have money to invest. You ideally want to find people that are in English-speaking countries, and then you could, of course, connect with people one-on-one. And as you're building up your friends list, as you're building up a bit of a following, what you can do is you could, of course, grow your, your Facebook profile. You could have a really nice profile picture. Create a really nice banner. You could have someone design this for you if you want to on a site like Fiverr.com, or you can even design one yourself using like Canva.com. Have a nice banner that, of course, explains what you're all about, and then you could post about your lifestyle, right? So you could share your results if you have some results coming in, or you could share results from other members that are inside of the same program that you're in right here. Show how someone else in this program has gotten the results inside of your inside of the niche right there. You could share some lifestyle posts right here, like she's got some family posts and all the type of stuff, right? So post of her and her husband and her kids right there, right? You could do Facebook Lives in here, and this is a great way to not only build trust with your audience, but they're going to be much more likely to buy whatever it is that you are recommending down the road, right? So the more you could, of course, build up that trust factor with your audience, and the more consistent that you are with this, the better it's going to be for the long term. So one thing to keep in mind is that with free traffic, it's not always going to be the best in terms of, right away. It's not going to be the fastest way of getting traffic. However, in the long term, it's always known to be much more high quality than if you were doing something like paid traffic, because these people on Facebook are getting to know, like, and trust you, right? And that is the same with the next traffic source that I want to go over, which is YouTube, right? Now, YouTube is the exact traffic source that I used myself to, get my first breakthrough online. So starting in like summer of 2019, I started this YouTube channel and I started posting videos on a consistent basis. And this was the exact traffic source right here that got me my very first breakthrough online, right? So the benefit with YouTube traffic is that, it's some of the highest quality traffic online in general, because for one, it's a search engine, right? So people go online, they search up things like, how to start affiliate marketing without a website in 2021, right? This is, they look up things like this, how to make passive income online in 2021, or it could even be something like product name plus a view. Think about this for a minute. If you are on this video right now, chances are you've probably searched up something like multiple income funnel review, or what is multiple income funnel all about, and maybe you watched some of these videos, or maybe you watched some of my other videos about this exact program, and you were still kind of on the fence as to whether or not you want to join this program, right? Now, think about this for a minute, right? If you spend, for example, 5, 10, or 15 minutes on a video, that of course helps you to trust the individual a lot more. Whereas if you just see like a simple picture or just written word, it might not have the same amount of impact, right? So when you see me on camera, it obviously has a different impact than if you were to just see me, share like a text post on, my Facebook profile, right? And that's what makes YouTube a very powerful traffic source, right? So search engine, people are getting exactly what they're searching for. Videos, they spend time, minutes with you, or they spend some time with you, and this is a great way to, of course, build up trust with your audience right there, right? So YouTube is in my opinion set up perfectly for affiliate marketing, because in every video at the end you can give a call to action to check out the recommendation in your description right here, and this is a great way to, of course, get high quality traffic to any offer that you're promoting, including multiple income funnel right here, right? So if you're on this video right now and you are looking to if you are looking to get into action with this exact program, and if you have not joined multiple income funnel yet, then down below, when you click on that link down below, it's going to take you to this page right here. And I've got some really cool bonuses if you decide to join through my link down below. And specifically, when you get started with the second income stream here, which is Easy One Up, when you join Easy One Up at the $2,000 level, I've got some really cool bonuses for you that will help you get results much faster and will really help you shorten the learning curve, right? So the very first bonus that you'll get access to is the YouTube selling system, and this is going to show you exactly how to use YouTube, how to leverage a platform like YouTube to get very high quality traffic online without having to invest any money up front, right? So if you are someone who has no money to invest up front into paid advertising, you can start with a platform like YouTube, and if you're willing to get on camera, if you're willing to do videos, then this is a great way to get lots of high quality traffic. However, YouTube might not be for you, so in that case, you'll also get some training on Facebook ads. This will show you how to use Facebook ads without ever having to worry about getting banned, and that's really great about this bonus right here. You'll also learn the massive traffic formula, so this will go much more in depth about the solo ad strategy, and this is actually taught by a 7-figure earner by the name of Paulo Barroso. So this guy's been in the industry for a very long time, and he's gotten phenomenal results with solo ads, right? Bonus number 4, you'll get access to the massive ManyChat profits. This will show you how to use Messenger to grow your list, kind of like an email list, but in Facebook Messenger. And this is very powerful because the open rate with Messenger is extremely high, right? So this is it has a much higher open rate than emails, and that's what makes this traffic source very powerful. You also get access to the ultimate Facebook chat mastery. So if you want to learn more in depth about how to connect with people one-on-one inside of Facebook groups like what I showed earlier, that's another bonus that you'll get access to. You'll also get access to some email swipes, hypnotic storytelling, the most important ingredient for success, and you'll also get a bonus by one of my friends, how to create a crystal clear vision for your future, as well as the Facebook community where you could ask any questions that you have, and you'll get that support, available to you, right? So if you're interested in, of course, getting into action with this exact program, and you want these cool bonuses to help you get the results faster, check out the link down below. Go through the exact program and get started with the second income stream, which is easy one up at the highest level, the Vertex Live level. Anyways, hopefully you got lots of value in this video. If you did, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and take care.